Hi everybody, welcome back. So I wanted to do a really quick like weekly update video with you guys. I haven't really done one of these before, so I thought it would be really nice to kind of bring you guys up to date like by the week of what I'm doing or what I've been up to. So right now I got home from work. I kind of rested for like 45 minutes or so, and I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. But in the meantime, you know, I came home, the house is a wreck, so we really need to clean up. So here's the living room. Just kind of needs to be picked up and cleaned up. And then, I don't think you can see it over here, but there's like a ton of dishes over in the sink area. But, so my battery died, but like I was saying, I wanted to kind of catch you guys up on like how I've been doing with work. So, as you guys noticed, I started my new job, and I'm really enjoying it. It is a little bit stressful. I'm an office nurse, so everything is like on a computer. There is no direct patient care, so but I am enjoying it. It is different, so it's definitely an adjustment because I was so used to doing home health for years where my schedule is very flexible, and then to move into a very structured environment is definitely an adjustment for me. So and then also just going from part-time to full-time is definitely another, sorry guys, I have you, hold on. Definitely going from part-time to full-time is another adjustment as well, so I'm having to deal with that. But it's going really good. I'm trying to think of what else I've been up to. We're currently just looking into different school options for my daughter, possibly a private school. We'll see, just to kind of depending on of course the cost of it, and of course it would depend on the cost for my daughter to attend. And we're just looking at my oldest daughter because I feel like being in middle school is going to be more impactful, and I would like for her first impressions to be, I guess I would like for her first impressions to be a good one while she's in middle school, if that makes sense. Where my 6-year-old, she's in, you know, elementary primary education. So I think they really do a good job of that in my our local elementary school. So I don't really see the need to want to move her schools, if that makes sense. I don't know, let me know in the comments below if you think that if you had the option to do private school, would you do it when your child is in elementary, or would you prefer to do it while they're in middle or high school? Let me know your thoughts. But also, since going back to work, I'm super excited. Like, I'm the type of person, like, I get really excited about like goals. I'm very goal driven, and I love like being able to, I guess, dream. Basically, I love being able to dream about different opportunities there are out there. For example, one biggest thing was stopping me was I really want to start learning how to invest in stocks, but I lack the finances because I was only working part-time to like really focus on my learning to on my education to be able to learn how to you know, invest in stocks, understand the stock market, etc, etc. Another goal is gardening. I just it's just a passion. It's my granny did it, my mom does it, and now I feel kind of like I'm obligated to have to know how to do that. So I'm currently working on that too. Another goal I have is going back to school to further my education, so I'm definitely interested in that and excited. What is another goal? Another goal, of course, is YouTube. I'm excited that I want to actually grow. I want to grow it and see if it could actually grow into a career one day. I would love that kind of opportunity to be able to do that. So I would really like to focus more on my YouTube to make that happen. Oh, I got a new planner that came in. I think it's called, oh, Bloom. The Bloom planner or something like that. I'll put a picture of it down below. But I've been using that one for, I want to say this is year 2 or 3 now, I forget. but I really like that planner a lot. I always just order it on Amazon. Mine's ends in July, and so I have to get the next one. So we're already coming up to the end of July, so I just realized I need to order a new planner. So I went ahead and ordered that. What else? But yes, guys, there are so many goals that I want to accomplish that I don't know why, if it's the new job change that has inspired me, but I'm so excited. I want to accomplish all these things, all the things. I just want to accomplish them. And another thing I forgot to mention is my Amazon business. I don't know if you guys know, but I used to sell on Amazon. You know how, like, say for example, I don't know, Christmas time comes and you want to buy your kids toys. That was my biggest thing. I would sell toys on Amazon. And so that did good, except I feel like I needed to be more educated in it. There's a lot of things to learn about selling on Amazon. And so I really want to turn that into a business. So I am super excited that I can maybe take the classes I need to. I can have the money now that I can actually start purchasing products overseas, that I can possibly do private label and sell that on Amazon. So I'm really excited for that. I love having different revenues for income coming in, so that's definitely something dear to my heart. I don't like all my eggs stuck in one basket, so if you guys know what I mean. But I am super excited. That's probably my #1 goal, is my Amazon business. I want to get it going, running off the ground. So yeah, keep buying on Amazon, because you might be helping out another small little person like me. Okay, so we did a really quick cleanup of the living room area, so let me show you guys. So it's not like a deep clean or anything. This is what I do when I get off of work. I try to anyways. This didn't even happen yesterday, if I'm gonna be honest. And it's just a quick cleanup, a tidy up, that's all it is. And I am burning a candle. That is something I do religiously. So I do love burning candles. I am always, almost every single day, either burning candles or doing my diffuser. I'll put essential oils in there, or I'll do my diffuser. So one of the two is happening always, every day, all day, every day that I am home. I wanted to show you guys really quick. Oh, and the candle I am burning right now in the background, where is it? Right, oh, this is hard to do on a camera. Right there. That is leaves. Yes, it's a fall candle, I believe. It's fall, but I am already burning it because I am so excited for fall. I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and was just like looking at all their stuff, and I couldn't decide on anything to buy at that time, but I kind of want to keep my options open and just see what they have out there. So I'm not like, I'm trying to think of what theme I'm gonna do. I still love my black and white. I still have my black and white checker pillows on my couch. I love black and white. That's just a staple I have, but I'm trying to think if I'm gonna change up the colors a little bit this year. I don't know, we'll see. But I wanted to show you guys really quick. Okay, I wanted to show you guys these really quick. So I purchased these from Target, and these are the Home and Planet sprays, all-purpose sprays, or multi-purpose sprays. And this one is in the lavender and argan oil scent. Out of these three, they have more scents as well, guys, but out of these three, the lavender and argan oil is my favorite. This one is coconut water and mimosa flower, and then this one is probably my second favorite. It's Bulgarian rose petal, because If you guys know me, I love rose anything. I love it. So yeah, that's my number 1, number 2, and then number 3 favorites. So if you guys haven't tried these, I want to say these are like kind of like Mrs. Meyer's competing, because they are gluten-free, recyclable, no dyes, no phosphates, no alcohol, no bleach. So a lot of the same qualities, I guess, but I like them. They smell really good. The smell does linger, though I don't think anybody can beat Mrs. Meyer's smell. The scents usually linger for quite a long time. I would say even just a little bit more than these, but these smell really good, especially the lavender one if you guys love lavender. But today I'm going to use my apple cider one. I went to Target and I found this one and I was just like, okay, I love the apple cider scent, so I wanted to go ahead and use this one today. And all these cleaning products just make me super excited, just because scents. I'm very moved by scents. It really puts me in the mood for the seasons, and I'm already looking forward to Christmas. I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited for the scents that are going to come out. I hope they come out with a new one, but let me know you guys' thoughts on your favorite scent of Mrs. Meyer's. They have a new one out called Acorn Spice, I believe, and it smells really good too. Okay, so I just like wiped the counter area here, and then my coffee bar area back here, and then I haven't done it yet because it doesn't really need it right now, but the table, just because we haven't eaten dinner yet and it's still gonna get dirty, so I don't want to wipe it down and then have to redo it again. So but yes, I got these really pretty little mason jar. I use them for water for my daughters. If you guys know, I always have water. If you see in my videos, there's always water right here for my girls. I just like it that way. I like it that way. It helps me. It's supposed to eliminate glasses and cups being used everywhere, but I still seem to have a sink full of dishes. And I wanted to show you guys really quick. I have a new smartwatch and I am really enjoying this. I did get this one on Amazon, and it's just this really simple, basic little smartwatch. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the norm, I guess, what a smartwatch is supposed to do. It's not like a legit Apple watch, but it only cost me $45, and the reason I got it was because at my job, they do not let you, it's medical field, so you can't have your phone out. At this job, I see them do it, but I just don't want to be the one that gets caught and, smack on the hand, don't be on your phone. So I got my smartwatch, and this one I can't, I can only receive on it. I can see who's calling, I can decline calls, and I can see what text messages are coming in, which is super important because I need to know if there's an emergency happening or something like that going on at home that I can't reach down into my phone to get, and it just connects via Bluetooth, so I love it. It does what I need it to do. There is another watch that I ordered that you can actually answer it. You can talk on the watch, and the only thing with that one, because these watches are not like legit Apple watches, they come from China, they're manufactured. They may not do everything. If you have an iPhone, they may not be like 100% compatible. So I don't really care for that. Like I said, I just want to be able to see my text messages and see who's calling, and that's it. So I don't really care for the rest. It was 45 bucks and saved me, a couple $100. So I have to be at work at 6 in the morning. So like, my bedtime is like probably coming up in a little bit. No, but like seriously, I try to be in bed by 10. I really should be in bed by 9:30 though to get my 7-hour sleep, but I'm still working on it. But I've been doing okay. That's definitely another adjustment as well. I love getting off though at 2:30 in the afternoon, so that's definitely a plus. So but I've never really been a morning person, so that, like I said, that's an adjustment, but actually it's not that hard. You basically have to just get up out of the bed, because the more you sit in the bed and just linger there, the longer it's gonna take for you to kind of snap out of that like sleepiness, Okay, so I put Stranger Things on, but again, I'm really not into it. So I ended up making me some coffee. Sometimes in the evenings, because I'm just so tired, I do like to have a little bit of coffee. So because I have to get up super early though, I probably shouldn't be drinking it after like 7, and it's like 7:20 right now, so I do need to quit doing that. But I wanted to show you guys what I ended up making for dinner. So this is just like a chicken tetrazzini, I guess you want to call it. It's just, I just sprinkled some cheese over. I'm gonna put it in the oven for maybe about 15 minutes. But it's angel hair pasta with cream of mushroom and cream of chicken, and then I melted some cheese into that, and I'm just gonna put this in the oven for like 15 minutes, and then that's gonna be dinner. So that's pretty much it for this video. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on, like a weekly update, just to kind of fill you guys in. I know I like watching these types of videos, like weekly update videos on YouTube from some of my YouTubers that I like to watch. So I just kind of thought I'd throw it out there and see how you guys like it. But I'm going to get ready. So it's almost 7:30. I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna eat dinner. The girls are gonna take showers, and then they're just kind of get them ready for like bedtime routine, I guess. Kind of want like their showers done. I want them fed and everything, preferably before 8 o'clock, all of that done, so they can just kind of get into their like nighttime routine. They both like to read, and sometimes we'll let them watch like a show on the iPad or something, so they'll do that too. But that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see going forward in the future. I'm kind of like getting all crazy about fall, like all things fall. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys don't miss out on that, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'll put the information down below at Rachel's Bliss. That way you guys, I am not here, I am over there, so make sure that you guys are subscribed to my Instagram as well, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.